What if I told you that you could turn just $100 into $10,000? Sounds crazy, right? But with the right digital marketing skills and smart finance strategies, it's not only possible, it's happening. In this video, I'll break down exactly how you can start from scratch and build a 5-figure online income, step by step. The foundation, mindset and strategy. Before we jump into tactics, let's talk mindset. Turning $100 into $10,000 isn't about luck, it's about leverage, skill, and consistency. Step 1. Set a goal. Do you want fast cash or long-term income? Step 2. Commit to learning. That $100 is your seed capital, but the real asset is your knowledge. The strategy we'll follow today is this. Invest in high ROI skills. Build a digital asset. Use automation and scaling to multiply results. Invest $100 in a high-income skill. Digital marketing is filled with high-income skills. Pick just one from this list. Affiliate marketing. Copywriting. SEO. Facebook ads. Email marketing. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or even YouTube offer low-cost or free options. Spend your $100 wisely, maybe on a $49 course and a $20 ebook, and save $30 for tools later. Start a lean digital business. Now take your skill and create a digital service or product. Here's what you can do. Affiliate blog or YouTube channel, free with effort. Sell digital templates, like Notion, Canva, etc. Offer freelance services on Fiverr or Upwork. Use your remaining budget for a domain name and a basic website, or just start on free platforms. Leverage automation. Here's where you scale. Use AI tools and automation to save time and grow faster. Automate. Emails with MailChimp or ConvertKit. Social posts with Buffer or Later. Use ChatGPT for writing. Use Jasper or Canva AI for design. The less you do manually, the more you can focus on revenue. Monetize and scale. Once you start seeing your first sales or commissions, reinvest. Don't spend it yet. Here's how to scale. Turn your service into a product, e.g., sell a course on what you learned. Start outsourcing tasks on Fiverr. Run ads with the profit you've made. Your goal isn't just $10,000 once, it's building an income stream that can pay you that monthly. Real examples and case studies. People have done this. A creator turned $100 into a 6-figure blog by promoting finance tools through affiliate marketing. Another used Canva templates to build a digital product empire. What do they have in common? A clear plan, consistent action, and smart reinvestment. If you're still watching, you now know exactly how to turn $100 into $10,000 with digital marketing and smart finance. Hit like if this helped you, and subscribe for more real strategies that work in 2025. Don't wait. Your future self is counting on you.